Okay, we're at the Cicada markets in Hua Hin, Huahin. To get here, you can get a bike bus, which are usually coloured green and gold. You can get it from the night market, in the middle of the night market, all the way down to here. It's about 15 baht. Yeah, it's an easy trip. It goes down along the main road, so you can stop it at any time. So, yeah, we're at the Cicada market,
if you can find it now,
which is quite a nice market. Not as good as the San Marine market when it comes to food, but yeah, it is pretty nice market.
Oh, merciful radio energy. Will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Won't you hear my call?
Around. This is one of my favourite statues.
See me in the colourful light.
Walking around.
Even when it comes, I'll be fading in time.
It opens at 4 p.m. It's only Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so don't come here Monday to Thursday.
Got a hold to lead to win if you get it. Oh, merciful radio energy. Will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Now I'll never find my way back home again. I need it all. Been fine. I came around again when I finally catches up to you. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. I'll never make my way back home again.
It's a nice hot day. Some hats for you. Handbags. Beads. Some
It's
stores
in
are
the
open.
air.
Some stores haven't opened yet.
It's bringing back images. We're making our way at long last,
What's up?
feeling like a new day.
Got lots of toys here.
If you can find it now,
If you're a collector,
you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Won't you hear my call?
some beautiful watches here. Not too expensive.
See me in the colourful light. Even when it comes, I'll be fading in time. Ooh. Oh, weeds in one frame at a time. Got a hold to lead to win if you get it. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Now I'll never
I said, there's a cartoonist here. He's not here yet. He's always late. I can't even remember time he's ever been here on time. Gets here about 5 o'clock, I think. So maybe 6. Beautiful painting. We'll go and look at the food. Yeah, I have to come here one day and try the pizza. Looks pretty good. Same prices as Australia, you know, because flour and all that's more expensive here for some reason. So, I don't know why. There's more food stores down this other end, but they're all mainly sweets. You've got all your different drinks. And then you've got your wine and beer and chang and... Hello ladies, how are you? Good? And they're the prices, which are reasonable, yeah. And this is where you get your ticket for all your food, at this coupon box. And if you like the show that's on tonight, there's even this guy here. I don't know, I can't read Thai, but if you can take a photo of it from your computer or smartphone, you can do a Google Translate. But there's a tip box. It's very small. Expecting to get some big tips there, I think.